Hey there, welcome back to Easy English in 10 Minutes. If you're new here, thank you so much. I'm Nikchan. This is your English listening podcast. Today's topic is, how do you start learning English? I will speak slowly. You will listen carefully. Then you will repeat after me. Let's learn English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my friend. Welcome to this special lesson on one of the most important questions every English learner asks. How do you start learning English? If you're listening right now, that means you have already taken the first step, and that's amazing. You're curious, motivated, and ready to grow. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone trying again after a long break, you are in the right place. This is your space, a space to learn English in a way that's clear, calm, and step by step. In today's session, I will introduce the full idea of how to start learning English, not just as a student, but as a real person who wants to speak, understand, and enjoy the English language. So let's begin. The first step is to just open the door. Many people want to learn English, but they wait. They think, I'm not ready, or I'm not smart enough, or it's too difficult. But here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fast. You only need to start. Starting is powerful. Starting is brave. Starting is everything. Just by deciding to listen, to try, and to repeat one word, you are already learning. Think of English like a door. You don't need to know everything behind the door. You just need to open it and take one small step forward. So take that first step with me. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Before learning any language, it's helpful to know your why. Why do you want to learn English? Some common reasons are to travel to English-speaking countries, to get a better job, to study at a university abroad, to speak with international friends, to enjoy English movies, books, and songs, to feel more confident in the world. Your reason is personal. It's your own story, and that story gives you energy. Try saying this aloud. I want to learn English because it will help me in my life. Write your reason down. Put it somewhere you can see every day. This reason will push you forward when learning gets hard, and yes, sometimes it will feel hard. But that's normal. Your why will keep you going. Accept that you are a beginner, and that's okay. Some people feel shy when starting English. They say, my English is bad, or I can't speak well. Please don't say that. Instead say, I'm just starting. I'm learning something new. You are a beginner, and that is a beautiful place to be. Beginners are brave. They are open to learning. They are not afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. They are part of learning. When a baby learns to walk, it falls many times, but it keeps trying. That's what makes it stronger. You're doing the same with English. Start with the basics, words and sentences. You can use many learners ask, should I study grammar first? No, not at the beginning. Start with useful words and daily phrases. Examples. Hello, good morning, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is... I don't understand. Can you help me? These are small, simple, but powerful. These are your tools for real conversations. When you know even 50, 100 basic words, you can start to understand and speak. And remember, use easy English, not perfect English. It's okay to say, me want coffee, instead of, I would like a cup of coffee, please. You can learn the full sentence later. For now, focus on communication. Listen every day, even for 5 to 10 minutes. Listening is one of the most important habits for English learners. Why? Because your brain learns sound, rhythm, and natural structure through listening. So listen every day. You can listen to English podcasts like this one. Watch YouTube videos made for English learners. Watch cartoons or children's shows in English. Listen to English songs and follow the lyrics. Use audio books or apps like BBC Learning English or VOA. The key is to listen actively, not just in the background. Repeat what you hear, pause and shadow the speaker. Say it with them. You might not understand everything. That's okay. Try saying, I don't understand every word, but I understand more every day. This is real progress. Speak from day one. Don't wait. Another big mistake, waiting too long to speak. Many learners say, I will speak when I'm ready. But here's a secret. You will never feel 100% ready. So start speaking from the first day. Speak with the words you know. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Repeat English words and sentences you hear. Practice basic questions and answers. Even if you only know 10 words, use them. Say them aloud. Every time you speak, you get better. Every time you speak, your brain becomes stronger. Every time you speak, your confidence grows. So repeat after me. I speak English every day, even if it's just one sentence. Read what you can understand. Reading helps you connect sound with meaning. Start with simple English texts. You can read easy storybooks, comic books, articles with pictures, subtitled videos, English menus, signs, or labels. Don't read to translate every word. Read to understand the big idea. If you find 3 to 5 new words per page, that's good. Write those words in a notebook. Practice them later. Say this, I read English to grow my vocabulary. I read a little every day. Write in English. Even a little writing is a great way to practice what you've learned. You can write a daily diary. Write social media posts in English. Describe your day. Write messages to English-speaking friends. Try writing small stories. Don't worry about grammar or spelling. Just try. Start small. A few sentences is enough. Example, today I went to the market. I bought some fruit. The weather was hot. This is real English. This is progress. Make English part of your daily life. To get better at English, you must make it a habit. Don't study for 3 hours one day and stop for 3 weeks. Instead, study 10 to 20 minutes every day. Ideas for your daily plan. Listen for 5 minutes in the morning. Learn 5 new words in the afternoon. Read 1 paragraph at night. Speak 2 sentences to yourself before bed. That's it. Simple, small steps. But if you do it daily, it builds skill. Repeat. I learn English every day. Small steps bring big success. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language is like growing a tree. You water it every day. You give it time. You let it grow. You don't pull the roots to make it grow faster. You care for it gently. The same is true with English. You will have days when you feel strong. You will have days when you feel confused. But you are still learning. You are still growing. Trust the process. Celebrate your effort. Say this now. I am proud of myself. I am learning something new. I will not give up. So how do you start learning English? You start by understanding why it matters to you. You start by accepting your beginner level. You learn useful words and phrases. You listen, you speak, you read, and you write every day. You make English part of your life. You enjoy the journey, even when it feels slow. Remember, no one starts as an expert. Everyone starts with hello, thank you, and how are you? You are brave. You are doing something powerful. You are learning a new language that will help you grow in many ways. If you're here, it means you're thinking about learning English, or maybe you've already started. Either way, you're taking one of the most important steps of your life. Every time you listen, speak, read, or write in English, you are getting better. Don't worry if it's slow, small steps bring big changes. So remember, you are doing great. Keep learning, keep practicing, and soon you'll feel more confident. You've already started, and that's amazing. Keep going and believe in yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you feel this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, learning English is a journey. Take it one step at a time, day by day. Keep going, and you'll be speaking English confidently before you know it. Be confident and be patient. Thank you so much again. Bye.